Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, obviously. Obviously, Bitcoin is what I'm going to be talking about because it's all I'm ever talking about. It's all I ever think about, really, to be honest with you. The world of cryptocurrencies, blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Chainlink, and all the rest. It takes up most of my time. This is an area where people are able to create abundance for themselves and their families, where the actual powers that be realize that there's something big happening that is rumbling beneath the surface that they must get involved in. If not, they are left behind. The whole technology around blockchain technology in general has shaken the whole system. The house of cards have blatantly started to fall, and people need to start understanding that the traditional financial system, the traditional system that exists, is a house of cards ready to implode. People are unable to do what maybe their parents or their parents' parents did. Okay, people not everybody's able to go and buy properties. Not everybody's able to raise the deposit to buy a property. Okay, so Bitcoin changes everything, gives people a low barrier of entry, gives people the opportunity to get in on the ground floor of something that is huge. Okay, the price being around 45,000 today, and I think it's gone up a bit, about 47,000. That really does show, especially it went up in the last 24 hours and shot up to around 47,000. This showcases that people will never give up on Bitcoin, really. No matter what the FUD is out there, no matter what people say, no matter what the powers that be say, Bitcoin is not going anywhere, and gives the opportunity to those who may not even have opportunity. This is what is amazing about it, and the reason why I think about it every day, I talk about it every single day, and it's I guess it's just my biggest hobby. My biggest hobby is Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general, and that's all I do all day, every day. If you're somebody listening to me now and you're new to my LinkedIn, you don't know much about crypto, I have a crypto for beginners training, where you can actually learn a little bit about crypto, how to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, a few of the different things I'm involved in to earn and earn interest on my crypto. It's all there. My 7-figure Rolodex is all there. Everything is all there, so that you can learn and earn. Because if you're not earning, you can't actually go and buy any Bitcoin or Ethereum. People have asked me, "Oh, do you have to buy a whole Bitcoin? Oh, I haven't got enough money. It's too expensive." You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy it in fractions. You can buy $10 worth, $100 worth. You can buy $500 worth. You can buy $1 worth. There is no, there's no like, oh, you must buy one or two. There was a time in the past where you could buy one for less than $1,000. Okay. And there's many people who did. And those people are multimillionaires now. Some are even billionaires because of the amount of Bitcoin they had. So just because you can't buy one doesn't mean that you can't get in. You can get in. You just need to understand that this is the barrier of entry that the regular person can get in on. Okay? This is the digital version of real estate. This is digital land. This is digital energy. This is power, really. Bitcoin is power. It is. I realized this in 2017 when I was working a business and earning Bitcoin. I realized the power of having crypto. I realized the power of being able to earn crypto and the power of being able to truly travel from A to B and live life solely by crypto. When you get to that point where you're able to live your life and everything is in crypto, everything seems so different. You know, the world seems like anything is possible, you know, and that's what I want people to believe, that abundance is possible. And Bitcoin brings abundance if you look at it with the same eyes I'm looking at it. Okay. You know, it's not controlled by the system that really does want you to work until you're 85 and then die before you actually got to enjoy any of your life. That's what they want you to do. That's what they want you to do. So you have to choose. Are you going to just sit back, stay in the normal system, which everybody's in, okay, which people are in, but they hate it. They get up in the morning, get ready to go to their day jobs, which they only really do to pay the bills. If you have a job which you go to and you enjoy it, and you do it to not only just pay the bills, but you do it because you enjoy it, and it's like your passion, then that is even better for you. That's amazing. Not everybody enjoys what they do. But if, I don't know, even if it's over 50% of you is doing that job primarily because of money and paying your bills, then, you know, maybe you need to look at how you can create abundance for yourself and your family. And in my opinion, that will mean earning in crypto. You know, either building a business which allows you to earn in crypto, accepting crypto in your business. I'm not saying stop accepting, stop taking in dollars or pounds or euros or whichever your national currency is. I'm not saying that. I'm saying alongside what you're doing, have income coming in crypto. You know, if you're creative and you sell music, take the payments in crypto. If you have some clothing and you sell it, take the payments in crypto. If you have a skill, take the payments in crypto. You know, this is the future. You know, our children and our children's children, this is going to be normal for them. It's going to be normal for them. So this is the right time to start your journey with crypto. If you're brand new, check out. I'm going to put my crypto for beginners training in also in this LinkedIn post. Also going to leave. I don't know if I'll leave the link there. I might leave the link there, but if you don't see that link there, just go to my profile and you'll see the link to my crypto for beginners training, and also you will see a link to my main Bitcoin business. I believe in earning Bitcoin, building Bitcoin business, and I truly do love this arena. Anyways, I've been talking for about just over 8 minutes now. This is my passion. I hope this has given you some sort of insight into my passion for it, and hopefully it will spur yours. Thanks for listening. Please, follow me here, connect with me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.